Good morning everyone. Welcome to El Paraiso. This is Dukdel once again. Today is Sunday and let us have a short visit here at the garden and titingnan natin kung ano po yung mga sunbanda na may blooms. But before that, for those who are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe and then hit the notification bell so that if I have new videos relating to growing and cultivating orchids, you will always be updated. So this time, ito yung pinakauna, tingnan ninyo. This is a common sunbanda. This is peach, no? Okay, another one is there. No, this one meron siyang kakaibang kulay and I think this is one of the sunbanda na nabili ko sa online selling. Another one is this. Yun, napakaganda niya. Napakaganda, napaka-dominant yung ube na kulay. So, I think ito yung tinatawag nila na nakalimutan ko, no? So later, for those viewers na alam nila yung ID ng sunbanda na ito, you can put the ID doon sa comment section. Another one is this, no? Tingnan ninyo. I love the color kasi gusto ko talaga yung mga malaubi na kulay na mga orchids. Okay, another one doon sa dulo, hindi natin maabot. That is an Ernesto, Papilionanda Ernesto. Ito, I don't know kung this is an Ernesto pero para siyang ruby, red ruby. Okay. So, or cherry red, no? Okay, so let's proceed. So another one, this one, napakaganda ng kanyang kulay. I don't know what's the idea of this as well, pero I like the lip, no? Okay, malalaki at saka makakapal yung kanyang flower, yung petals. Okay, so yun po, no? That is a woodlawn glory. Okay, another one is this, no? This one, okay, mabango po yan, para siyang tisilata or tisalata, mabango. Andon, may bandong din ako na namumulaklak, no, doon sa dulo. Okay, so let's continue kasi titingnan lang natin itong mga may flower. So another one there, no, meron siyang flower, kulay siya, yun, yung kulay niya is pink. Okay, pink po yung kulay niya, malalaki yung petals. Okay, that is also I think this is one of the sunbanda na nabili ko sa Sistuna Farm. Another one, this is also another woodlawn glory. Okay, another woodlawn glory there. So dito sa garden, no, ngayon ko lang napagtanto na ang dami kong woodlawn glory, no? Okay, so another woodlawn glory there. And this one, no? Okay, so tingnan ninyo what's the ID of this. Yan po, no? Tingnan ninyo kung ano ang ID niyan. Okay, so this is the second, no? Ito yung pangalawang sunbanda na namumulaklak dito. The first one, katulad din ng kanyang flower. Okay, this one, okay, meron siyang spike, aabangan natin yan. And then ito rin, no? O, tingnan natin yan po. Yan. Okay, so what's the idea of this? So yun lang po ang mga sunbanda na may flowers dito sa garden. Ang iba merong spikes, ang iba meron pa silang bukol, no? Sabi ni Ma'am Jean Castillo, bukol. Okay, so yan po, no? Napakaganda po ng, no, Amazing talaga ang kulay at saka structure ng Woodlawn Glory, no? Meron pa pala doon, ayan, no? Meron pa pala doon, papalanta na po yung kanyang flower. Okay. Iba din yung structure ng kanyang katawan. Okay, no? So, yan po. Napakaganda nilang tingnan. So, talagang napakaganda pag halos lahat ng orchids sa garden ay namumulaklak. So, ilang Woodlawn Glory meron dito? 1, 2, 3. Okay, merong 4. Okay, so, ito lang talaga gusto kong malaman, no? Yan po. No, gusto kong malaman kung ano ang ID nito. This one. Okay, no, yan. So, this is a very short update. So, thank you so much for watching. Okay, meron pa pala dito, no? Ito yung aking MFB 116. Okay, no? Andun pa sa kabila. So, thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone. And stay safe, no? Manatiling mag-subscribe, manood at mag-react at mag-comment sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone and stay safe.